From there, we go to the steps that a Christian couple takes to ensure a stable marriage. So here, the step that should be taken to ensure a stable marriage, to ensure that the marriage is what? Permanent and it's long-lasting, right? I've ever encountered people who married for 1 week. There are people who married for like 8 hours and they were ready for divorce. It is written on the newspapers. There are people who married for a year and they are done. So in order to ensure there are no such scenarios, we need a stable marriage. So what steps as a Christian can you take to ensure you have a stable marriage? Number one, you're supposed to remain faithful to each other. Not on the wedding night you go to sleep with your what? Maid of honor. Now you see you've the marriage is already, or one of the maids in your wedding ceremony. Number two, forgiveness. You should be able to practice forgiveness and love. Love goes hand in hand with forgiveness. You should be able to learn to forgive each other. If I cooked the food and it is burnt, you forgive. Maybe I forgot because I was watching something on TV. Tomorrow I will not. I cook the food, it's too salty. Don't keep on saying I keep on adding more salt. But most marriages, you find one of the spouses, there are things she or he doesn't want to do what? To forgive, like what? Forgiveness should be made. Ni nini upendi kusamehe? No cheating, we talked about faithfulness. Can you forgive cheating? Yes. If they say they've changed, you're supposed to. I knew, men never. If you hear someone has forgiven, it's always the woman. Always. In order for you to practice forgiveness, you should start here in school. Here in school, are you in good terms with everyone in this class? Why? Why? Ask yourself why. That means I'm teaching C.R.E for nothing. Forgive 70 times. It basically means eternally. Why have you not forgiven that person? There's nothing which is so impactful that you can't forgive them. What now? Have they taken a knife and cut you? Even people forgive their own brothers after they've fought them and they're in the hospital. Now what is that a big deal that you cannot forgive your own brother here so that you can have a group discussion with them? It starts when you're this young. You keep on forgiving them here. When you go to the university, you forgive, you continue forgiving. When you're in the what? In marriage, now it's very simple. It's not a big deal. You see, to ask yourself, at the end of next year in December, whatever grudge you're having with your friend here, will it matter? If it don't matter, why don't forgive? You should be able to tolerate each other. Then there is also understanding. You understand each other. You understand this person does not understand other things. They are from a poor family. They've never seen a what? A microwave. So they'll tend to, you have to now be able to make me understand what is this. I've never eaten pizza. You keep on telling me, oh, it's eaten like this. It's done like this. You also tell me, oh, this food is not supposed to be prepared like this. Yes. You understand that I do not know, and then you do what? You teach me. Then there is also accepting each other as equal partners. Not one is on the head and the other one is the... You should be equal because all human beings are equal before God. You also be open-hearted. You trust your spouse. If you go into marriage without trust, you always trust this person. They've told me they're late for work, it's because they were at work. If you have ulterior motive, you keep on saying, oh, why were you late? I called and people were not there. No, be open-minded. Just say, yeah, you were at work, it's okay. You also, the main thing in a Christian couple, for them to have a stable marriage, is to do what? To pray. Pray. Pray in the morning when you wake up. Pray the rosary together in the morning when you wake up. Why don't you do that? Prayer takes how long in the morning? Why don't you wake up 10 minutes to 15 minutes? Kneel down, pray. Or just pray when you're in what? In bed. The one who's being left in bed, let them get left there, and then the other one to wake up. So pray together. There's also, you should have a healthy sexual what? Relationship. Also, that's key.